Morning residents in the city of Tshwane. I'm Alderman Hannes Kutse. I'm the MMC for Community Safety. I'm here with some of the officials and also Tshwane Metro Police. We're doing an operation Ria Spanna here in Menlyn and Linwood. Now this area, we saw that in the backside there's one of the cables that has been dug open, one of the street lights has been cut off. We came around the corner, we actually entered this property. It's a private property, abandoned, but there must be at least 50 rooms within this house. We've asked the people that if they're paying rent, they say no, they're staying for free. But you can see just behind me here already, it's like the lounge has been converted into about 6 or 7 different rooms. So it's basically a hijacked house where people are just staying for free, and we've asked them, some of them come from Mabopane, other ones are from different areas, but we need to pay attention on this issue. We must have a proper operation so that we can do the verification, have a look at if they're complying to the bylaws, is there any illegal connections, then the law must take its way. Thank you.